guys, Steve here, RC. Today we got in a Hosim 1/10 scale brushless truck. We're going to unbox it really quick and then we're going to test it out. Let's hit it. Alright guys, I have it all out here. I'm going to show you what it comes with. It comes with the instruction manual. Make sure you check this out. Read everything before you run your car. Comes with this bag, and inside this bag they give you some extra body clips and some cleaner brush. I guess you could put your batteries in here also. I got the USB charger, a bag of tools, body clips, extra wheel nuts and stuff, extra goodies. We got battery strap and the 1-year warranty. So check that out. I'll have this link below in my video description if you want to take a look at this truck. Let's take it out. It's packaged nice. Just pull that off. Pull this off. And that's what it looks like. And the controller's in here. Ugh, it's hard to get open. Alright. This is, I think I'm going to have to cut this here. I may be doing this wrong, but I just want to get out and run it for you guys. There's the radio. It's got all the nice stuff here. Servo reversing, throttle, trim, and then steering trim and the percentage trim. Some instructions on the top there. Let's see what's inside. 4 AAs. Alright, how do you get the car out? The car comes right out. Let me get rid of this. Check it out. Oh, oil shots. That's kind of stiff. Look at the oil. It feels kind of stiff, like I think it may have too thick of oil in there. Here's the body. Has a protective film on it. You could peel it off here. It looks way better. Put it off. There it is. Got 2 batteries in it. Here's the battery. 2600 2S25C. 2S LiPo here. I guess you just run 1 in it at a time, so you got 2. It just straps in like this. Just like that. There's the brushless motor with a heat sink. All metal steering. And tie rods. We got all metal drive shafts, all metal gears. 6 kilogram servo. There's the ESC and the receiver unit. Looks like an all-in-one unit. It's got a skid plate on the bottom. This has a blue sticker on it to take off. It has the lights on the front. Anyhow, guys, that's enough of babbling on. Got rubber tires, full ball bearings, all metal drivetrain, gears. We're going to get it out and see how this bad boy goes. Alright guys, I'm here with the Hosim 1/10 scale brushless truck. I have it all ready to go. What you want to do is turn your radio on first, and then press and hold this button and don't move your trigger till it triggers. Alright, now it's ready to run. You don't want to move your trigger as you're doing that for the throttle, otherwise you'll mess everything up. I'm going to be running here. We're going to try it on the tar, see how fast it is, and we'll take it off-road a little bit. My normal spot's under construction, so I couldn't go there. So let me put this body on, and then we'll hit it. Alright guys, we're going to try it on the street really quick here. It was raining last night, and it's like 90 something and humid. Everything's damp. Looks pretty quick. Got to go a little bit of left to trim, but pretty quick. Brakes work good on it. It just don't slam like in reverse. It actually has, this one actually has nice brakes. Let me see if I could trim this out a bit here. Alright. I have to run it here. Oh, it does wheelies. I'm gonna have to run it here because my normal place is under construction. The front lights are nice on it. Oh! Has power. Alright, I want to adjust something here on the radio and I'll be right back. Everything's damp, so oh, that's a nice jump. Oh, did a wheelie. Oh, that was bad. Hey, you can see, guys, everything's wet. It's really not the best day to run, but I had to get out and do this because it came in. Oh, not the way to do it, Steve. Maybe from this side. This side looks better. Not much of a run at it, though. I didn't get no air, boo. Oh, just like over that tree and rock. Yeah. Nothing stops it. It's got leaves in the back. Oh. bump there in the woods. It's just crazy. Only brought one battery. Definitely got some oomph to her. Let's see it. See what's up here. Oh, that was nice. Not the biggest spot. Oh yeah, Steve, right into a tree. Oh, is that thing dirty? The fan's going strong. Oh, the clip came out. Oh, that thing's dirty. Oh, gave it too much gas. Try it on these rocks here. It's a different surface. The rocks in the tennis court. I only brought one battery and I'm running it through this stuff. Ooh, it jumped up there. I'm running it through this stuff. And this grass is really, really tough. What's up with this spoiler? This thing's like rubber, so it just stays bent whatever way, so at least it ain't breaking. Ugh. Oh, that was a nice jump. This is real deep, the grass, so battery's gonna go dead real quick. Oh, where am I? In the woods? Oh, that was nice. Oh, come on. Barely flipped it. Today is like the worst day ever to ride RCs, guys. It's like 90 something degrees and humid as heck. It rained last night and a little in the morning, and the sun came out a little bit, and you could tell, look at the car. It's waterproof. Oh my God. I keep the gas on too much and I make it pull a wheelie off the lip here. That's me. My fancy driving. I'm used to the slower Tamana cars. I tried to let off, but it's not the best of jumps neither, so this is all like makeshift in the woods, kind of basically driving in the woods. Oh, I slid out on the tar and I hit the grass and grabbed. Takes a beating, that's for sure. I'm getting bit alive. Going in the woods. Oh! Good fun. Oh, that was me. Jumped right into the sidebar here. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but I'm getting beaten up by these bugs. It's pretty quick. I could tell battery. Oh, I tried to slip out on the tar. And I go on the grass and then it just grabs and flips. I thought I was going to be able to slip in a circle there. Guess not. Maybe over here. Let's try if I could drift. There we go. There it is. Uh-oh. Oh, where are you going, Steve? Making new trails? Listen to this. Dang it. Alrighty guys, that's enough with this thing. I'm gonna have a fun time cleaning this up. Look at that. Everything's together good. Looks to be. Still got an hour to go. I beat the crap out of it. Anyhow guys, that's how it goes. If you enjoyed it, check them links in the video description below. You could check this thing out if you're interested. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you next time. Please sub, like, leave me a comment. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments about this Hosim Brushless. Seems to be pretty quick. Let me see what the motor's like. And this was running in really deep grass. Woohoo, look at that. It's hot, but I overdid it in this grass. You really shouldn't ride in this stuff. But that's it. If you thought this was cool, like I said, check it out in the links below in the video description. I'll see you next time, guys. I'm out of here. I'm getting bit up alive with the mosquitoes. It's a bad day. I'll see you. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Hosim, for sending this in for me to showcase. I'm out. Oh, pop goes the body when you don't put it on.